Up for sale, 1972 Ford Mustang Convertible. I'm going to walk around and tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 72 Mustang Convertible, finished in white with red interior. What a cream puff of a car, really. I mean, front to back, top to bottom. Let me just give you a couple details real quick. It's all original paint. Arizona car, 44,498, if I remember the odometer correctly, original miles. All original body panels, of course. Nicely optioned, 351 Cleveland, 2-barrel, number matching, of course. Carb with the original tag on it. All the little stickers and logos like the factory would put on it are on the car, and I'll show you those as I go around. Power steering, power front disc brakes, factory AC, which blows ice cold. Anyway, you know, go around and tell you what I know about it, and we'll drive it. So we'll start here in the front. Of course, the original Arizona plate. Nice condition of the plate. Chrome in the front. Of course, a couple little marks on it being original, but still super nice. The rubber on the ends here, very nice condition. You see a couple like little marks right there. The little band of chrome around the top. A couple, you know, little marks, but still nice. All the fitment around the car is the way it should be. The way the hood lines up to the driver fender here and to the passenger fender. That's perfect. Being original paint, you know, you might get like a couple little like stone chips, excuse me, in this front section here. It makes sense. You see a couple more there. Another awesome thing, there's not even a bubble on the paint. Let me just do this fender here, then I'll pop the hood. You see a couple more little guys down there. But this is really a cream puff of a car. Newer tires, wheels are mint. Those are probably newer because they look amazing, to tell you the truth. This piece of trim down here, nice condition all the way down, even the way it lines up to the door, because the door doesn't sag, of course. The fitment of the door to the fender. You see some, you know, little stone chips down in that area there. Glass all the way around is mint. Your trim around your window. Your dash, which I'll show you there, console and dash and gauges, those literally look like new. So let's go ahead and I'll open the hood for you guys. There you go, 351 2-barrel Cleveland motor, of course. Like I said, carb's original, motor's original. Valve covers, I think those are original too, because it's got the OK stamp there, and it looks like there's a tag. You kind of see it there on the front of that one. My hands are really cold. I'm sorry, my phone's shaking. 1 second here. Your air conditioning tag is here. I believe the radiator is original too, because it's got some nice coating down there. Here's your AC compressor. Of course, you see the tag on that, and of course that's working. 1, we've tested it. 2, a lot of recent work. It looks like not too long ago it was serviced. Your inner fender wells all the way around, your shock towers, those are all excellent condition. I mean, look at the paint in here as well, how nice that is. You see a body stamping there. You see your factory tag there. I took a picture of that. That will be on the ad. As well as, like, look all the way down there. Another little stamping right there, going all the way back. I mean, really, look at that. Even in, like, here, you see a stamping down there. Same on the other side. This all looks nice. Stamping right there. This looks nice. Your underhood, pretty much what you would expect it to look like. Stamping up there, like some writing on there from back in the day. Turnkey, like a Swiss watch, it runs. Let's keep going. We're going over to the door now here. You know, original paint is going to happen, but it's like Creampuff. It's like shiny too. That's the cool thing, of course, on the door edge here. It was husband and wife owned in Arizona. They were both on the title. I have the original title. I'll show you that when I get to it. I believe it was the ladies' car, though. I'm not gonna lie. 1, because it's been maintained very nicely. 2, because I have the original owner's gloves, like maybe her little driving gloves. I'll show you those. Going into the door here, 1, no overspray. 2, no paint lines. Tag from the factory, not taped off when it was, if it would have been painted, but it wasn't. I took a picture of that. That'll be on the ad. Weather stripping is nice. Even the paint behind your door panel is nice. Weather stripping is nice. Glass all the way around. Nice. Power top, by the way. Your door panel is mint. This shows a little bit of wear, of course, because you grab it when you want to open the door, close the door. Awesome. Awesome. The quality of the red. This is not shine. That's like pristine. So let's keep going here. A little like, I'm going to call them factory markings right there. Some natural patina from getting in and out. Opening and closing of the door. Seat. Okay, so the interior, other than this little separation on those 3 there on the seam, which can probably be fixed, of course, mint. Like mint seats. That seat looks like new. This is excellent. This is nice. I'm going to try and be as thorough as I can with this. Show you the back seat first before I get in. I guess remember something else. Carpet, very, very, very nice condition all the way around. Super clean with the built-in factory mat. Gauges mint. This is all amazing. Your dash pad, no cracks on it. Factory AC. Console all the way back. That's fantastic. 44948. I think I might have said 44498. Either way. I got the key in my pocket here. I want to show you something. Okay, maybe in the other pocket. This is going to be a long video, people. I apologize. One, key buzzer works. Okay. Because the door is open, of course. Let me start it. Okay. So, notice that. Because the seatbelt's not on. The fact that that still works. On top of the other buzzer that works. Because the door is open. All the gauges work. Top works, of course. Lights work. AC works. I think the only thing that does not work on the car is the little clock, which you have a watch and your phone is a watch, so it doesn't matter too much. Top's in very nice condition, you know, just a little bit of like patina there, but it's super clean. I didn't even clean it, to tell you the truth. It was this nice to begin with. Glass back window for the top. So where did I leave off here? Start down here. See like a little mark right there. You must have rubbed something here at some point. A couple little scratches there. Another nice thing, and well, other than a couple of things there, is how nice even this fits up there. And you can say the same for this side. That fitment's super, super nice. Your trunk fitment, of course, what you would expect. Like an odd mark right there, something rubbed in a little like half circle. So let me do this first. Rear bumper, very, very nice condition. We're just getting a little flirty here. Very, very nice condition that you see there. Come on. A little mark right there. Super nice down there as well. A couple like chips, of course, it's common. This is very, very, very nice. That's super nice to see. The lights are nice. Trim is nice around there as well. You know, a couple little marks here. So let's open the trunk here. Stamping. Jacking instructions. Nice original paint in there. Stamping. Nice weather stripping in there. Nice fitment there. Stamping. So here's something cool. One, jack, which has got to be original. See owner's manual for jacking instructions. That's cool. Your top boot in the little sleeve there, which is red, and that looks excellent. Look how nice the trunk pan is on this. This is mint. Of course, original quarters. I'm gonna leave this out for the time being. Quarters are nice. Spare tire set in there nicely. So here's what I got for you. The ladies' gloves that I mentioned. I found a first aid kit in the car. Who the hell knows how long that's been there. Scottsdale license plate frame. Okay, I know that's not that important, but let's get into the meat and potatoes here. The little Ford envelope. This is for their financing on the car, the original owners, from Household Finance. Their document, I guess, going for it. So let's put that there. This, I know, is the original title from Arizona. 1972, Arizona Bank, Phoenix, Arizona. 7/31/72, Richard and Jean Moffett, however you want to pronounce that. That's awesome that that's with the car. Keep that off to the side. This is some miscellaneous registrations. I literally took a picture of everything that I pulled out of here. Again, you know, Phoenix, Arizona. This is a bunch of registrations. That's actually an Illinois registration, but that's now. Maricopa County. I feel like I heard that in regards to the last election, not gonna lie. It sounds familiar to me. And I didn't even see this. Oh, this is your warranty. Oh, that's for the audio box. I guess it's for the radio. That's cool. Sorry. I found some cool like maps in here. This was in the Phoenix area. State Farm insurance for the people. Some receipts, some more receipts. They must have driven the car to look at some caverns. They kept that. I kept that. Here's some more, you know, registration cards. Phoenix, Arizona. Throughout the years. You know, some stuff like that. How to start. 6,000 miles. Super premium oil. Warranty message, owners, stuff like that. I'll come back and organize this later on. No. So, a lot of documentation that goes along with the car. So let's knock this out. Oh, I left the boot on. And again, I know you noticed it on that side, there were no bubbles. Of course, there's no bubbles on this side either. Just a couple stone chips down there. Scratches down there, a little bit of, patina on the lower edge. Some more chips there. I can't believe this. This was not supposed to happen today. And there's my glove. Interesting JX tag in there. Or a little stamping. Your door panel, other than for the snow, is meant just like the other side. Factory sticker there again. No paint lines, no, you know, of course, being original. Again, same deal here, other than my glove, like I said. All super nice down there. Carpet super nice. Seat is mint. Dash is mint. Show you the back seat again. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and at eBay. Read about it. Watch the video. I mean, look how nice in that area that is. Super, super nice fitment there again. Another little mark. Oh, and I notice, looks like there's some just little marks here that were touched up right in this section for whatever reason. Maybe you'd open it up and you'd bump something in the garage. A couple more little stone chips there. So, we're going to fire it up and drive it. Thank you. Even the reverse lights work.